Chipp is the easiest way to integrate AI into your business or work. Create custom chatbots trained on your knowledge so you get the exact answers you want no matter where that information lives. Then share those AI agents with your colleagues or your customers so that they use AI where they work, whether that's on a website, in Slack, on WhatsApp, or elsewhere. Let's take a quick tour and show you how you can build your branded private AI workspace. Chipp brings the power of AI to your team. IFTA embeds Chipp so that members can ask questions about their membership and access research. The Four Seasons uses Chipp to generate leads, so it acts as a pop-up here on the bottom right that clients can talk to. I use Chipp every day to create content, so I ask it to write me content, and it'll write it in my voice. So it's easy to build these even if you're not technical. So let's take a look at how that's done. When you log into chipp.ai, you can create your free account. This gives you up to 1,000 messages. You can always go to our marketplace and find over 200 templates that are already built that you can click on to use. We're going to go ahead and click on apps. You can build as many apps as you want, and you can organize these apps into different workspaces. So it could be in a workspace just for you, so no one else can access it. Or you can add a team space like this, where multiple people from your team can all work and see the apps together. Let's take a look at my digital protege. So on the right, we're going to see what the user is going to see. And on the left is how we build it. We can name it, describe it, and put in some of these conversation starters. Now, what's powerful about Chipp is you can choose the model that you want to use. So you have access to all of the pro models for one subscription. So you can use ChatGPT, Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini, and open source models. You can also tell the AI what to do or show it what to do. So you can tell it what to do with a prompt. This is where you give instructions on how it should behave, and you can tweak this as a team to make your AI behave the way you want. You can also connect it with knowledge from across your sites. So you can upload files, you can scrape websites, you can upload YouTube videos or podcasts or spreadsheets. And as that information is updated, like something new's added to your spreadsheet, that'll come into your Chipp chat or your AI agent. And that's a great way to keep these updated without having to go back in every time. As you can see, you can put a lot of different knowledge sources in. You have all of the powerful tools you would have on a paid ChatGPT subscription. So you can upload files, create images, browse the web, but you get additional power where you can connect via API to other tools. So if you're slightly technical, you can really extend the power of Chipp to other places, and then you can deploy it to places like WhatsApp or Slack. So it works exactly where you want. Of course, you can always brand it as well and put it wherever you want it to be. So with the share button, you can easily grab a link to send to your colleagues. You can grab an iframe to paste on your website, or if you're more technical, you can even access Chipp via API. Now, Chipp can even take care of authentication. So if you want to control who's accessing your Chipp chats, you can do so with a login. You can require certain domains to be able to access it, or even just a list of people who can access your chat. If you're looking to build a business on your application, you can connect your Stripe account and sell access to your app. Now, the best feature that people always love is the ability to see the conversations. You can choose to turn this on or off, but when it's on, you're able to see what people are asking about and see what questions they have, what leads you're generating, maybe the things that are unclear. Think about it as customer research at scale, and it's something that you have access to. And if you want to brand your Chipp chat, any paid plan will give you the ability to have a custom domain. As you can see, Chipp makes it incredibly easy to share AI with your team, regardless of how technical they are. Unlike ChatGPT or Copilot, you can share this with anyone. They don't have to have a seat or a certain license. In fact, this is a great way to train an AI and upload files without the user even having to know what's there. Now, you can get started for free and have up to 1,000 messages. Then you can upgrade to the Pro plan. That would be for you using it individually. If you want to unlock more messages as well as all of the models, you can upgrade to the team plan when you want to collaborate. That's where you and your colleagues can work on AI together. You get additional messages and knowledge sources and additional power, such as the API. Regardless of where your information is, you can bring it into Chipp. So connect your OneDrive, your G Drive, your YouTube videos, your spreadsheets, and that can all live in one place. Now, as you bring information into Chipp, many people will ask about security and privacy. Fortunately, Chipp is here for you. You can actually bring Chipp into your own infrastructure and run it within your own cloud or on a private cloud that we set up for you. That means that it can be HIPAA compliant, FERPA compliant, and not share anything with OpenAI or Anthropic. Regardless of your business or work, we cannot wait to see what you will create. Now, we know AI can make you more efficient, but it can actually improve your work. Bringing AI in as a digital teammate is how you unlock this power. Chipp is a perfect way to make that happen. So get started today.